While waiting for the confirmation from the AMLAC on those entries that I indicated, I wish to ask questions on another matter.
This
To
is also
AMLAC.
for Senator Trillanes?
For AMLAC po.
For AMLA. AMLC?
Executive Director,
Yes, ma'am.
dun po sa mga submissions nyo sa committee, meron ho ba kayong sinubmit na document na confidential information sharing?
Sorry.
The confidential information sharing?
Yes, Madam Chair. There is. It's the one flashed earlier.
The confidential information sharing. Ito ho ba yung the document consisting of 15 pages
That is correct, Madam Chair.
and that the subjects of this confidential information sharing are subject number 1, Sara Zimmerman Duterte, and subject number 2, Attorney Manasseh Reyes Carpio.
That is correct, Madam Chair.
Can we ask you, Mr. Executive Director, to read
Please
for
speak
us?
closer to the microphone, Kong.
Can we ask you po to read for us paragraph 14 of that confidential information sharing under the caption derogatory records involving subject number 1, Sara Zimmerman Duterte? Can you please read for the record?
So based on records, derogatory records, number 14, VP Sara was the subject of suspicion in 27 confidential reports submitted by covered persons on 2 August 2024 to 29 January 2026, citing suspected activities involving drug trafficking and related offenses, graft and corrupt practices, and malversation of public funds and property. Drug trafficking and related offenses, so triggered in connection with the House Quad Committee hearing on former President Rodrigo Duterte's war on drugs, as well as by news reports alleging the involvement of VP Sara's husband in the 6.4 billion shabu importation in 2017. Graft and corrupt practices / malversation of public funds, there are in relation to news articles related to the impeachment case filed against VP Sara in 2025, as well as alleged misuse of confidential / intelligence funds.
Pwede po bang ma-flash din po yan sa screen?
Do we know what particular page is this?
Paragraph 14,
Page 6, Madam
page
Chair.
6 of 15.
Paragraph
14.
14,
Page
page
6.
6.
Yan po. Medyo hindi ho masyadong mabilis ho kasi masyado yung pagkakabasa kanina ni Executive Director. So I deemed it proper na ipakita po dyan. So that's derogatory records. At merong sinasabing suspected activities involving drug trafficking and related offenses, graft and corrupt practices, and malversation of public funds and property. So can we say that this is actually a product of the financial investigation? Pag nakalagay po, pag meron po kayong ganitong confidential information sharing, galing po saan ito?
This one is reported by the banks, by the covered persons, Madam Chair.
By the covered
by the
bank
covered
or banking
persons.
institution as reported to you?
Yes,
As
yes,
reported to
Madam Chair.
AMLC?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Can we also ask you to read for the record and also to be flashed on the screen, Madam Chair? Paragraph 36, page 15, or the last page of this document.
Paragraph 36, page 15.
Can we ask the Honorable Executive Director to also read for the record as it is flashed on the screen?
Derogatory records 36. Attorney Carpio was the subject of suspicion in 17 confidential reports submitted by covered persons on 14 September 2017 to 25 April 2025, citing suspected activities involving drug trafficking and related offenses and malversation of public funds and property. For drug trafficking and related offenses triggered in connection with the news report on alleged involvement in the 6.4 billion Shabu importation in 2017. Malversation of public funds triggered by news articles in relation to his wife, VP Sara, alleged misuse of confidential/intelligence funds.
So, pinapakita po nito na meron pala kayo talagang nakuha o nailagay, na-report na derogatory records involving the two subjects of your confidential information sharing.
Based on records, yes, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Is AMLA ready to answer the questions regarding transaction subject of confirmation? Whether or not the same appear in the AMLC report submitted to this committee. Are you ready? If you need more time, then we may proceed to other resource persons.
So,
Are you
Uh,
ready?
we are ready partially, Madam Chair, so we can at least...
Okay. Please mention first the amount
The
and
annex.
then whether it's part or not of your report.
Okay, for Annex H, Madam Chair, so to clarify, I am not confirming the report provided by, mentioned earlier because I am not privy whatever the source of that report. What I'm telling is there is a movement of funds on this particular date as reported to us, which is based on the covered transaction or suspicious transaction.
Can we flash again Annex? Is that Annex H?
Annex H, Madam
Annex
Chair.
H. To be responsive to the request of the Honorable De Lima, can you at least say whether that transaction is part of the report of AMLC? Kasama po ba itong transaction na ito sa report ng AMLC na sinumite dito sa Justice Committee?
Madam Chair, given that we are only given limited information, I cannot confirm, for example, what's the nature of the transfer, where is the addressee and all. So what we can
are
only-
not inquiring as to the nature of the transfer, just
No.
whether or not that amount appears as well in the report of the AMLC.
I can confirm, Madam Chair, if there is a movement of funds on that same date with the same amount involving the same
That
account.
will
Will
be
fine?
enough.
Yes.
Okay.
That will
does
be enough.
Okay. So for
Madam Chair, to be clarified, no, when you say, pag sinabi po ninyong movement, ibig sabihin, may deposito?
there's
Tama
a
po ba?
transaction. There's a
From
transaction.
From one transaction to another.
Yes, Madam
So, ibig
Chair.
sabihin, may deposito na ganitong amount sa isang bangko, pumasok sa isang bangko. Tama po ba?
We'll have to verify if it is a fund transfer or fund out or deposit.
Nonetheless, please limit your answer to what appears already
Okay.
in the report.
Okay.
So, for the guidance of the